How to install and set up Ninja Forms in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with Admin User. Now let's learn how to install and set up Ninja Forms plugin in WordPress. Ninja Forms helps in creating forms like Contact Us, sign-up forms for your WordPress website. Point the mouse on Plugins and then click on Add New Menu. In Search Plugins window, search for Ninja Forms. We have searched the plugin here. Now, click on the Install Now button. That's it! You have successfully installed the Contact Ninja Forms plugin. Click on Activate button in order to activate the plugin. The Ninja Forms plugin is activated now. The plugin activation has created a new menu for Ninja Forms. Let's set up the Ninja Forms plugin. Point the mouse on the Ninja Forms option and click on the Dashboard menu. In order to add a new form, click on Add New button. You can edit the existing forms by clicking on the wheel icon. Click on the Apps and Integrations menu. This page shows the applications that can be integrated easily with Ninja Forms. Click on the Memberships menu. You can subscribe yearly with your best-suited plan or continue with using the open-source version of Ninja Forms. Click on the Submissions menu. View the visitor details who have filled up the form on your website on this page. To view the submissions, click on the Select a Form drop-down window and then click on the Filter button. Click on the Import-Export menu. The Import-Export page helps to import and export the existing Ninja Forms of your website. In order to import an existing form, click on the Choose File button, select the file of the form. Once the file is selected, click on the Import Form button. In order to export an existing form, click on the Select a Form drop-down window and select the form. Once the form is selected, press the Export Form button. Ninja Forms form exports will have the .nff extension. Click on the Favorite Fields tab. You can import-export particular form fields using the Favorite Fields tab. In order to import an existing field, click on the Choose File button, select the file of the form. Once the file is selected, click on the Import Fields button. Click on the Settings menu. In the General Settings section, keep the date format configuration set to default. Configure the currency as per your requirement by clicking the Currency drop-down window. Scroll down a bit. Secure your website form from spam and abuse using reCAPTCHA settings. In the reCAPTCHA settings section, put in the reCAPTCHA site key and secret key in respected fields. The reCAPTCHA language setting sets the language that the reCAPTCHA will be shown in. Configure the reCAPTCHA language as per your requirement. Set the reCAPTCHA theme, light or dark, to match your site's theme. Configure the advanced settings as per your requirement, or leave them as it is. The rollback option can be used to roll back to the older version of Ninja Forms. Click on the Save Settings button. Scroll up and click on Licenses tab. Install and activate your extensions. Add your license codes in this area. Click on the Add-ons menu. This page shows all the available add-ons that can be integrated with Ninja Forms. That's it! You have successfully configured the Ninja Forms plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up Ninja Forms plugin in WordPress.